What's up, guys? So today I'll be sharing a very interesting platform for y'all. It's so beautiful. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to actually make $50 to $100 a month without actually spending a cent of your own money. You don't have to put in any money. Yes, it's free. The only thing you need to have is access to internet and a smartphone if you have a laptop or a computer at home. Simple as that. So let's get started. Okay, so as you know, the platform we're going to be talking about, like I said, is Mobrog. I don't know how exactly they pronounce it, but as you can see, I'm sure now you on my screen right now, paid online surveys South Africa. Let's just go into the description. As you can see, it has very good rankings and people are actually giving it good positive feedback. So the surveys are from the field of science and market research. Researchers and companies are interested in hearing your opinion so that they can further develop the products. So like for instance, a big company wants to release a product into the market space. So what they do, they go to these kind of companies. They be like, hey, I want you to do a surveys, or I want you to do research on what people will think about my products on the market. So they get these guys to actually come up with the surveys and actually produce it out to the market to us, so we can actually do it and give them feedback on actually what we think about a certain product. So after registering, we invite you to take part in online surveys by email. In the invitation email, you will find a link to the questionnaire along with a brief description of the surveys. So they send you an email. In the email, they will tell you how long the survey is and how much it will cost, like how much they will pay you for your time to do that surveys. They will credit you via PayPal and it's hassle-free. So you actually need a PayPal account to actually redeem your money. So once you've actually created your account, you actually need to fill in your profile. You actually need to complete your profile. Like you can see, my profile is 100% complete, is 100% done. You'll actually need to further profile yourself. You'll actually need to fill in all these, as you can see, these boxes, like these catalogs. You'll actually need to answer like simple questions, just fill in some information. You'll actually have to do one of each, because when they send you a survey, it will be particularly regarding one of these. So if maybe for instance you don't have anything filled out on travel, you will miss out on all the travel surveys. So you need to make sure you fill in all these catalogs. So once you've done all these catalogs, then you are guaranteed to actually receive emails every day of surveys from Mobrog, like telling you, hey, we got a survey for you that's on travel. We got a survey for you basically on healthcare. We got a survey for you on media, your hobby. So let me just take you through my balance. As you can see over here, I've done a couple of surveys in the past whereby I've earned, like, I've done a shopping survey that like cost that I wish I got like $2, that's 75 cents, 60 cents. Though it's small money, but at the end it's worth something. And I made a withdrawal over here. As you can see, I made a withdrawal here of $6.25, and I actually made another withdrawal recently over here. So like guys, this is not a get rich scheme fast. It actually takes time, and when you actually got time on your hand whereby you know, like, I'm bored, just check your emails, and then after you check your email, you're like, hey, I got a survey, let me just do that survey. It's 10 to 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on the time you have free. You can just pop into your emails on your cell phone and just do the surveys. It's as simple as that. So as you can see, these are all the emails that I have received from them. I've been receiving like tons and tons of email from them in the past. Some I have not done. It's not because I don't want to do them, it's just because I do not have time to do it. And another beautiful thing about this is, as soon as you get started over here referring people to this platform, you actually get $1 for each referral. So the more people you actually refer, that means you're making more money out of your referrals and more money from your surveys. So guys, this is a platform that if you want to make money without actually spending a cent of your own money, this is the way to go. Simple as that. So If you want to join, my link is going to be in the description box. Just click that and sign up. Once you sign up, you're ready to go, and make sure you complete your profile, so that means you can receive emails every day with surveys. I'll see you in the next video, and from me, have an awesome day, and from those out of this country, have an awesome night. Goodbye.